I'm going to do something that, quite frankly, I have been dreading, something that has been causing me great stress.
Changes every heart, and any heart can change you.
Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Colleen and this is Our Blessed Life, and today I'm going to do a closet declutter. It's pretty extreme, and I was encouraged to do this video by my friend Erica at Homeschool Happens. I'm going to link her first declutter video up above so that you can get to her channel. But Erica has done a series on decluttering. It's really, really good. I want you to check that out. And she is also a homeschool mom and has tons and tons of homeschool content on her channel. I think of her homeschool as like fun schooling because she's got a lot of creative ideas, particularly for little kids. So I want to make sure that you check out her channel. And I'm gonna get on with this clean out. And the closet that we are going to be decluttering is mine. And honestly, I'm really embarrassed to show you this because I really do keep my house neat most of the time. And it's primarily just because I can't function if I can see clutter around. So, you know, I'm a stay-at-home mom, we homeschool, I'm here all the time, I work here, homeschooling and everything like that, and if there's clutter all around me, then I have to stop what I'm doing and clean it up. So as a result of this closet being so bad, it causes me so much stress that I just shut the door and I just try not to worry about it. But today I'm finally going to try to get this straightened out. And it's weird, but we moved in here in March and I actually tried to straighten it up, and for maybe a couple of months, it really wasn't that bad. Like, I had gotten hangers, I had fit everything in there, I had even organized some things in boxes, but since then, it is just an absolute disaster. So I'm trying to find a way to clean it out, declutter, get rid of as much as I can, and then put it back in there in a way where I can really maintain it, because like I said, clutter is it's a great source of stress to me. So let me show you what I got here. Okay. So as you can see, there's stuff thrown everywhere. It's so bad at this point that even when I have like clean clothes coming in after doing the laundry or whatever, I just throw them right here because I don't even know where to put them, because my little boxes and stuff have stuff overflowing. This is kind of what I had done. These pink boxes, I had put these in here because I don't have any drawers. I don't have a dresser. My husband uses our dresser. So I don't have a good way to store the things that just need to go on a shelf or in a drawer. So I'm trying to figure out all of that, and I've already started trying to figure out what to get rid of, and that pile in the back is a combination of clothes from like every member of our family, but mostly mine. So really what I'm planning on doing here is just taking everything out and putting it on my bed, sorting through it, getting rid of stuff to donate, and then kind of put it back in here. I also want to clean the closet really well while it is empty, but I don't know if you could see the floor before, but there's stuff all over the floor as well. Just like I said, I kind of just want to get in there and get out as quickly as I can. So it's gotten to the point of just being ridiculous now. All right, so this is going to be my project. I'm going to try to get everything out of here, put it on the bed, sort through it, donate what needs to be donated, straighten up everything else, organize it by, you know, what it is, and hopefully do it in a way where I can maintain it. And I think that's the key, because I've already done this once. It just wasn't really sustainable the way I did it. I didn't declutter enough. And that kind of thing. And I'll show you. So this is kind of these hangers, these thin hangers. I got these at Walmart, and this did help a lot. But like the organization of the clothes is really no longer. But I do still have these hangers. I plan to use those. Those were a big space saver for me. So mainly I've just got to get rid of stuff and sort some stuff. And I even have shoes all over the floor, and I even have a shoe thing over here. So they're just not where they go. So, all right. So I'm gonna go ahead, as I bring everything out, I'm just gonna stack it on the bed by type, like sleeveless, short sleeve, long sleeve dresses, whatever. That way, as I go through it, I can sort it a little bit easier and maybe save a step. Okay, so at this point I have all the clothes right here, which is basically all my shirts, and then over here I have like jackets, sweaters, and then dresses over there. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and just clean this area because it's dusty and there's just stuff everywhere. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then sort through the clothes that I went ahead and brought into the bedroom and then bring those back in here just because I can't put everything on the bed at once. As you can see, I clearly have way too many clothes, and I bet a lot of these clothes don't fit me anymore because I have lost weight, and I did clear out a good bit of clothes before we moved, but clearly not nearly enough. And it was kind of like once I got this closet organized, I found like another suitcase of stuff, and that's kind of when it all fell apart.
In your arms, I wanna stay. I'm slipping away, so don't let me go now. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, out of control. Oh baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control, out of control. I'm in love. Yeah.
So I do not for the life of me know why I have this many clothes. I am going through this and I don't even know what to do with them, and you know, you're supposed to take it all out, put your hands on everything, and that's what I've done here. But honestly, I'm finding it overwhelming to see all of this mess here, and I can't really figure out like what I want to keep and what I want to get rid of. And the truth is I don't wear most of it, but I'm still finding it hard to know what to do with it.
Just like I am dreaming, walking around in this love haze. I wanna stay in this feeling, but let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay. I'm slipping away. Oh, so don't let me go now. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, but baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control, I'm in love. I'm in love, deep in love with you, baby, yeah. 'Cause your love is exceptional. Ooh. It's out of control, It's out of control, but I love the rush, yeah. Oh, it overflows. Ooh.
Okay, so at this point I have removed 28 items from my shirts that were hanging. I've gone ahead and put them back in there. I'm gonna go ahead and organize them and take one more pass through to see if there's anything else that's gonna come out. But those hangers right there, those 28 hangers that at one point had an item of clothing hanging on them, and now they don't. So 28 pieces of clothing in that bag.
I met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight.
Okay, for the sweaters and jackets, I'm just gonna go through these hanging in here because I don't have nearly as many, and I feel like it'll be easier.
Honestly, don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know.
And next, I think I'm just gonna go through these dresses here and just leave them hanging in here, and just get rid of the ones that I don't want to keep. And then I'm going to take all the stuff on these shelves that's just kind of thrown in here and bring it into my bedroom and kind of sort through it in all these boxes and just try to make some order to that. So with my hanging items, I've been keeping track of the hangers so far, and this is 40 hangers. So this is between my shirts that were hanging and then also like the cardigans and jackets and stuff like that. That's 40 items of clothing that have been taken out of the closet at this point.
How to carry on your own. Ever since I got a good look in his eyes, I just knew that he was special. He said he wanted to take it slow, but I couldn't help that I wanted to take it to the next level. Cause I wanted that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on. Sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by.
We interrupt this program to remind everybody that the South Carolina Fighting Gamecocks took out the number 3 ranked University of Georgia Bulldogs in Athens, Georgia today, 20-17 in double overtime. Spurs up, baby. We now return to our regular scheduled programming.
I couldn't get him off my mind. I couldn't get him off my mind. Lost track of everything but each other.
Okay, I'm all finished with the closet clean out and declutter. First, I'll show you how much stuff I got rid of. Okay, so there's 2 big, huge, like contractor bags, and then 1 like regular trash bag full of clothes that are gonna be donated. And I'll show you the closet. So this is the whole thing. So all the clutter's gone. Out of the hanging clothes, I removed about 50 items of clothing. So I organized them basically where they're sleeveless, and it's kind of color coordinated by sleeveless, and then short sleeves, and then long sleeves, and then right there starts sweaters, and then at the end I have like basically sweatshirts. And then over here I have jackets and coats and cardigans, and then over there I have dresses. And then up top, I just kind of straightened everything up. That was like scarves and a couple of like travel bags. I moved my suitcases over here. These are my 2 keepsake items. That is a doll that my mom gave me when I was a little girl. And then this is a sweater of my grandmother's who passed away a few years ago. So I have my boots down here. The shoes are all cleaned up. Hats and stuff like that. And then all of these baskets have been cleaned out and organized and then put back on the shelves. So I just kind of have the stuff at the top that is not really weather appropriate, and then I just kind of rearrange them as the weather changes. I didn't actually buy anything to do this closet makeover. I had already bought previously when we moved into the home, I had bought the hangers, which save a whole lot of space, and I really like them because the clothes don't slide down because of the material that they're made of. I don't know what material that is, but it doesn't put like the little poofy marks on your sweaters and shirts, and then also they don't slide off, and they're also super thin, so I don't have my clothes like all shoved together, but if I did, I could fit them on just 1/2, which I could not have done before. So that's a huge space savings. Okay, so that is the closet. I think it turned out pretty good. It definitely isn't as stressful to walk in here. I'll be able to leave the door open now for sure, because before I had to basically hide it. It caused me so much anxiety to come in here and see it, and now it's all straight. I think because I went through these boxes and really cleaned them out to where stuff will fit in there, that this should still be a decent solution for me. So basically, I think what happened with these boxes just got way overcrowded. And now I actually, have room in the boxes where I could add if I needed to. So I think that's what happened before, and then it just kind of got overwhelming. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Change in time. Love